Well, we've arrived at New Farm Park, and this is one of the most iconic parks in Brisbane. It's just really a great place for families, and if you come here any day of the week, any time during the day, you'll see people with their children, with their dogs, throwing frisbees, having picnics, playing in the playground. It is just fantastic, and people hanging out together. So yeah, it's a wonderful part of New Farm. Let's have another look, Kath.
Powerhouse now, which used to be the old powerhouse back in the day, and really this is the epitome of why New Farm is the downsizers paradise.
And family paradise.
Family paradise.
Couples paradise, it's everything. I mean, it's such a great building, and to see what they've done with this old building and turn it back into a great venue, a great place to come.